2004 Ford E250 Handicap wheelchair conversion van, Tuscany, Braun UVL, 39,000 original miles, super clean, has raised side entry doors, side entry wheelchair lift, all leather interior, clean Carfax. No rust. Beautiful Tuscany conversion. Braun UVL wheelchair lift. Has brand new tires. Laser straight down the sides. Very nice, clean van. Give us a call at 954-561-2499. You can ask for Jeff or Ken. Visit us at suprememotorsusa.com or suprememotorsusa.net. As you can see, it's laser straight down the sides. Almost no wear and tear for the year and mileage. It's a beautiful van. It's an E250 2004 Tuscany conversion. Show you how the wheelchair lift works. We just had the wheelchair lift serviced. It's ready to go. Goes up and down. You have your handheld remote. Really easy to operate, in and out. This is a Braun UVL, so it goes underneath the van. Super easy. Just hang this up. You have Q-strength tie downs in the floor. Has a rear power folding electric bed. Goes back and forth and reclines up and down all the way. Some of these vans don't recline all the way. This one will recline all the way. It also has the third bed extender in the back, so you have a full queen size bed. Your lighting in the roof, storage compartments, TV, DVD. There's even a VHS player in the back. All leather interior. Window shades. You have an extra seat. That seat pops right out if you need to remove it for space for the wheelchair. Again, it's 39,000 original miles. Call us at 954-561-2499. You can also text us to that number. Visit suprememotorsusa.com. We accept trades. We ship all over the world. Beautiful, beautiful van. Everything working perfectly. No warning lights on. The van's running. Cold air in the front and in the back. Let's get a shot of the miles there. See the miles is 39,630. Ultra